Well, I have a question for you. What's the first thing to do when you're setting up? Oh, see? Oh, and some milks, of course. And another one. And another one. Well, and another one. Well. Yeah, things will be better from now on. I'm sure of it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mike here for Moverland for All. And we are on a new adventure. I'll be giving you a hot meal today.
Well, I have a question for you. What's the first thing to do when you're setting up? These are important questions and important steps that you have to make. So, for those who've just guessed it, so first thing when you're setting up is to have some milk. Yeah, things will be better from now on. I'm sure of it. This stuff tires, man. I decided to turn the tent with the opening towards the KLE, so I can watch KLE. There's a small passage here, so nobody looks inside the tent, and I feel more comfy. So much hard work, you know. Life in the woods can be stressful, and so we need some medicine and stuff and milks. I'll be setting up the kitchen, and then let's prepare to eat. One of the best times in the day to eat or to drink. Well, I'll make a decision tomorrow. This is my dinner setup, and well, I've been having this setup for a while, and either on 4x4 or on 2 wheels. This is what I carry. I have a 60-liter bag that goes in the back of my KLE. What do I have here? My faithful companion, you've seen this one before. We have the fridge, nice and fresh beef and bacon. Our dinner will be bacon with eggs, some mushrooms, some chips, my grill, and some gas. We have my kitchen. Here you can find everything you want, from the olive oil, garlic, salt, some seasonings, tea, coffee, fire stick, always in needs. Oh, a bottle opener. Oh, this is the most important thing here. So, see? Oh, and some milks, of course. And another one. And another one. Well, and another one. Well. Maybe some friends will join. Maybe. Some peppers. So we have it all here. Oh, some vinegar and a fire lighter, and well, the works. And this is a pot, as you can see. This just like this. Okay. And on the top of it, that's the plate. Okay, that's where I eat. This is aluminum. Okay. Well, I tend not to use this to cook. Only in needs, since I'm all alone. So I'll be using this one that carries my plate, haha, some glasses, and here we have the small lever, the handle, see? Yes, and so here we have. You wanna fry an egg or something, just go there, or just to heat, you can heat like this. So yeah, this helps. We also have some forks here and some spoons. Yeah, this is it. This is my setup. So I have trash bags over there. I'll be getting one. Oh, man, it's so cold. It could snow here. And here we go. Okay. We are pumping. There we go. I have opened the mushrooms, some bacon. Woohoo! And we're rough. So beautiful, so beautiful. And some mushrooms, some eggs, and milks. And here we have the fridge. Okay. And we're cooking. If you want a fast meal, this is how it looks. This bacon looks so tasty, and the eggs are, oh my god, and the mushrooms are all. Okay, see you guys in a minute. Morning guys, and the night has passed, and I just took breakfast and had a walk around, and directly to lunchtime. What are we having for lunch? And today we'll be having some hamburgers, but from a special meat. And again, what's the first thing to do when you're preparing lunch? What else? Oh, beautiful. Oh, she's fresh. My fridge really rocks. Cheers. Feast your eyes on these burgers. Oh, look at them. From Angus meats. Salt and garlic. There we go. Not too much. Because of your health. Some garlic. Don't spare on the garlic. I'm getting tired, so here you go. Olive oil. One. Two. I forgot something. And we're cooking. Oh yes, we're cooking. Oh, look at this part, will be so crispy. Oh, beautiful. Man, it smells so good. I'm ready. And we're still cooking. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, oh man. I'm holding myself down not to hit this already. The smell with the peppers and the garlic and the olive oil, man. It's a hard life, you know. Adventure, man, adventure.